morning light paints the window pane, washing away last night's cold rain. A cup of coffee on the stove, a quiet testament of your love. And we don't need a map to find our way, or a fancy place to make us stay. Right here is where the world begins. 'Cause baby, we build worlds in these small rooms, chasing away the lingering glooms. We don't even have to speak a word. It's the sweetest silence I have heard. I could write a book, but the pages would be bare compared to this feeling hanging in the air. So I just breathe you in. Hallelujah, hallelujah, my dear. Just waking up. Hallelujah. The sky is blue. Hallelujah. Your silly laugh. Hallelujah. This photograph. Hallelujah. Dreaming of you. Hallelujah. My love is true. Hallelujah. Everything you. Hallelujah. Everything new. Hallelujah. I remember times the walls would just stare back. My world was shades of gray and faded black. Then you walked in and colored all the lines, and showed me where the hidden sunlight shines. I could try to paint, but the colors wouldn't do. There's no shade of perfect that looks like you. So I just sing it out.